Why is it so difficult to become aware of mohamula citta? That's my question.
What about citta? No matter it is moha or seeing or thinking, what is citta? When there's the understanding of citta, no doubt about the moha mula citta or any kind of citta, because of understanding what citta is. Is seeing very difficult to understand the citta which sees, or easier than moha mula citta?
No, they are all difficult.
That's why, no doubt, by the moha mula citta or lopa mula citta or dosa mula citta, because not enough understanding of citta. Is that right? But when there is the understanding of the nature of citta, no doubt about any citta. That's why even citta itself alone, we don't talk about the other mental factor like cetasikas, anger, and so on. Just citta itself, it's not lopa, it's not dosa. It's just the reality now, experiences the object. If you think about moha mula citta or lopa mula citta, can there be the moment of understanding citta itself, the reality which experiences the object? Why there cannot be the understanding of citta? Because there is the attention to understand something else, not mind about the citta at all. That's why even at moment of seeing, there is no understanding of seeing, the reality which sees, no doubt about it, just think about the object. But when there is time to consider whether even the reality, which is the chief of all, without it, no world, no thing appearing at all. But it's ignored or it's forgotten all the time. So how can it become closer at moment of seeing, to understand seeing itself, the moment of experiencing an object? Don't mind the object at all. That's what I don't mind whether it is with vicikiccha or whatever, but the reality which is citta has to be known. Otherwise there cannot be letting go the idea of self to have higher or clearer or high degree of understanding, even seeing right now as it is. That's why study each word which represents each reality as it is. Citta is citta, not any cettasika at all. That's why there is doubt about this kind of citta and this kind of citta, but in truth, it's no understanding of citta. Is that right? For example, right now, is there any understanding of just the reality which experiences the object? It has to begin to understand that when citta is the object, nothing can be together. Nothing can appear together. It's only the nature of the reality which experiences the object right now. Don't mind about the object, but the reality which experiences is there. No doubt about citta, but there is always doubt because of the accumulation of ignorance, not understanding whatever is there in life, even it's there all the time from birth to death, from life to life, hidden all the time. That's why in the Tipitaka there's the word open up citta, because it's covered up so very thick with ignorance and the idea about such and such. And so consider when there is the beginning to attend, just to attend to the characteristic which sees or experiences, no matter what, sound or sight, but the reality which experiences is there. That's why there is citta nupassana satipatthana. Why citta? all kinds of citta. No matter it is seeing, hearing, smelling, moha, moon, citta, or whatever, are there as citta nupassana satipatthana. It means that the reality which experiences even is there. It's not attended at all. Just talk about it. It seems like there is fully understanding of the truth of it, but not at all. It's only the first stage.